Welcome to the exciting world of engineering technology. FLATE, or the Florida Advanced Technological Education Center, has partnered with colleges across the state to support the education of high-performance, high-skilled workforce needed in Florida's manufacturing sector from the Panhandle to the Keys. In this video, we are highlighting Florida State College at Jacksonville. Centrally located between multiple industry hotbeds, FSCJ is on the cutting edge of industry technology education. Let's hear more about what a student can expect.
My name is Yasmin, my last name Al-Kayat. I go with Ms. Y, letter Y, it's easy. I teach in FSCJ, Florida State College at Jacksonville. When you start to learn these like small things, the big things start to connect to each other. So you have more understandable, okay, how this works. This is not magic, this is not hard. When I see the change in their life, like, especially like some of them, you know, I see them like after 1 or 2 years from graduation and new person. That's the whole thing. I think for any educator, but this is the purpose.
The future is now. Are you ready? Automation and AI is transforming every industry, but behind every smart system, there's a smarter person who understands how it works. That person could be you. Take the first step towards a career that matters, where these skills aren't just relevant but in high demand. To get started, enroll in an engineering technology program near you, or visit flate.org to learn more about these exciting opportunities. Thank you for joining us today.